everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to paint a very simple sunset near the beach and where you can actually walk. This is one of the photos that I had taken, so we'll paint that. I'll explain more about the things that the mistakes that I feel that I have done, but before that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back. So like I was mentioning, this is a very simple painting and it's a sunset, simple colors and big brush. So try to make sure that you are actually using big brushes for big washes like sky or otherwise even the sea or maybe the sand or any bigger area. So that's one thing you need to remember. Apart from that, the next thing is, although I've been teaching and mentioning this most of the places about perspective, but I just felt even after the drawing, maybe I've taken vanishing point right for that side walk. I'm not talking about the horizon line, I'm not talking about even the water or the sky. The sidewalk and that compound or the edge of the sidewall, it feels like actually it's more tilted downwards than little bit upwards. But vanishing point is right, I don't have any problem with the vanishing point, it's joining the horizon line. But only thing is, I just felt that maybe it should have been a little bit up. So just my observation just after I've done with that. But apart from that, I think just the normal color application. So concentrate on perspective, which is very important in this case. If not, if I was just painting just the horizon line, everything horizontal stroke, so that during that time you just have to concentrate on different elements. But the far away palm trees or coconut trees are actually done with rigor or the liner brush. So very important, keep that in mind, because those thin ones you don't get it as much as if it is too close, then I would have used bigger brush. But that's one thing. Apart from that, it's all just wash, and then again, this is a very beginner friendly, but I've given you hints exactly what brush to use, when to use, and the mistakes that I feel that it looks a little bit awkward. Apart from that, everything is actually in your hand. So however you want to paint it, so paint it and just let me know how it turns out. So and if you're watching for the sake of enjoyment, or otherwise if you're watching first time and then the second time you want to paint, so once you have a look at it, enjoy your time, and then I'll see you in the next